Okay, doing a quick camera test here. Here is the camera I was originally using. Lighting is, not fully set in the room right now, but I wanted to show the difference of how it's handling capturing light in a darker room. So this right now is the camera I have been using for quite a while now. But I just jumped over to a program called Camo that utilizes my iPhone 13 as the webcam, and we're going to switch to it right now. A little bit of a difference. Holy moly, I wish I found this a year ago. It even has the depth of field. It has the autofocus, so we can bring in. Focuses right away on my hand, right? Pull back. Focuses right back in. Really fast, too. Really fast. Look at that. Love it. That's just a quick camera test. We're going to have this positioned where it's going to be for future streams.